Have you been looking to master artificial intelligence but don't know where to start? Well, look no further. Google is offering 10 free online courses to help you learn everything you need to know about AI. In this video, we'll give you an overview of the 10 free courses so you can decide if you want to enroll. These courses offer a flexible and convenient way to build your AI skills, so let's dive in. The first course is Introduction to Generative AI. This introductory level course explains what exactly generative AI is, how it works, and how it differs from more traditional machine learning methods. It covers the basic techniques used in generative AI like neural networks and deep learning. We'll explore some real-world examples of how companies are using generative AI to create content like Google using it to autocomplete sentences in Gmail. Exciting, right? The course also introduces Google tools you can use to start building your own generative AI applications. Things like the generative model SDK in TensorFlow and services in the Vertex AI platform. Up next is Introduction to Large Language Models. This course focuses specifically on large language models, or LLMs for short. These are a type of generative AI system that is trained on massive text datasets, allowing them to generate remarkably human-like text. We'll learn what makes LLMs so powerful, like their huge parameters and transformer architectures. The course covers use cases where LLMs excel, like summarizing long texts, translating between languages, and even creating code. We'll also learn prompt tuning, a technique to customize an LLM for a specific task by providing sample inputs and outputs. Exciting stuff! Diving course number 3, Introduction to Responsible AI equips you with ethical AI development knowledge. The course covers potential issues like bias that can arise in AI systems and how to proactively address them. You'll learn about key concepts of transparency and being open about your data and methods, as well as accountability and taking ownership of your AI's impacts. Google's extensive testing protocols and feedback practices are explored, so you can catch potential problems early when designing AI. You'll see how considering diverse perspectives by soliciting wide-ranging input is crucial to responsible AI. This course also dives into Google's 7 core AI principles that guide ethical development across the company. Finish with a concrete understanding of these principles that you can apply to make any future AI systems you build beneficial for society. Advancing to course number 4, Generative AI Fundamentals allows you to showcase your new responsible AI competencies by earning a skill badge. Pass the culminating quiz after completing the first 3 courses and obtain this badge recognizing your abilities. Share it on your resume and online profiles to highlight your credentials alongside other achievements. This badge proves you walk the walk when it comes to developing AI the right way. Moving on to course number 5, Responsible AI with Google Cloud. You'll put principles into practice with hands-on tools. Resources like Explainable AI, model cards, and the What If tool built into Google Cloud empower you to monitor systems and audit for responsibility. See real examples of how Google Cloud engineers implement practices like transparency and bias detection daily. You'll learn techniques to eliminate bias and secure sensitive user data when building AI systems on Google Cloud. This course readies you to spearhead robust responsible AI initiatives on your own. Through this intensive 3-course module on responsible AI, you'll gain the mindset, knowledge, and practical skills to build AI that benefits people and society. You'll be prepared to innovate while prioritizing ethics, safety, and positive impacts. These courses give you superpowers to develop AI solutions the world can trust. Moving on until now, we gave you an overview of the first 5 free AI courses offered by Google. Now let's continue and take a look at what's covered in the next courses. The 6th course is on hybrid cloud infrastructure with Anthos. This one is geared more toward architects and administrators who manage cloud environments. Anthos is Google's hybrid and multi-cloud platform that allows you to build and run applications anywhere, on-premises, in the Google Cloud, or other major cloud providers. The course provides an introduction to working with Anthos. You'll learn how it enables a consistent experience and portability across environments. We'll cover the components that make up the Anthos stack like Kubernetes, Istio, and Anthos config management. Hands-on labs give you experience with tasks like configuring Anthos and migrating workloads. If your role involves managing infrastructure and application deployment, this course is perfect for getting up to speed on Anthos. Moving on to course number 7, we have Introduction to Generative AI Studio. This course focuses specifically on Generative AI Studio, which is a product within Google's Vertex AI platform. It's designed to help you rapidly prototype and experiment with generative AI models. In this course, we'll learn how Generative AI Studio provides a streamlined workflow for customizing models, from uploading your datasets to training, evaluating, and deploying AI models. You can use tools like in-context learning to rapidly improve a model's performance by providing demo inputs and outputs. We'll walk through examples of using Generative AI Studio to build cool applications, like an AI assistant chatbot. The course finishes with a hands-on lab so you can get first-hand experience using this new product. Course number 8 is Introduction to Generative AI, Locales. This covers the same content as the Introduction to Generative AI course but is designed specifically for non-English speakers. You'll still learn all about the basics of generative AI and Google's tools like TensorFlow and Vertex AI. But the material is presented in your native language to make it more accessible. It's great that Google is providing localized versions of its courses to make AI education more inclusive globally. Course number 9 is Generative AI Fundamentals, Locales, the localized version of the Generative AI Fundamentals course we discussed earlier. Complete the Introduction to Generative AI and Responsible AI courses in your native language, then take the quiz to earn the Generative AI Fundamentals skill badge. This shows you have core generative AI literacy, even if English is not your first language. So in these last 4 courses, Google continues expanding your AI knowledge and hands-on skills. Whether you're managing infrastructure, building AI applications, or looking to learn in your preferred language. The courses are self-paced, so you can work through them at whatever speed fits your schedule. We're halfway through overviewing these free course offerings from Google. Stay tuned for the final course coming up next. Let us know in the comments what course interests you the most so far. The courses are shaping up to provide an awesome AI education. And now let's wrap up by looking at the final course, which is Introduction to Generative AI Studio, Locales. This is the localized version of the Generative AI Studio course we discussed earlier. Non-English learners can take this course in their native language to get hands-on experience with Google's tool for rapidly developing generative AI models. You'll finish with the same skills, just delivered in your preferred localized format. In the end, whether you want foundational knowledge, hands-on practice, or specialized expertise in areas like generative AI, these courses have you covered. They provide flexible, self-paced learning to accommodate any schedule. By completing Google's curriculum, you'll become a well-rounded AI practitioner equipped to build the innovative AI systems of tomorrow. Don't miss this chance to master in-demand skills. Don't miss out on this free and convenient opportunity to master highly sought-after AI skills. Stand out from the crowd and future-proof your career trajectory in this dynamic field that's only growing. And that's all for today. If you're excited about AI innovations and want to stay updated with the latest trends and insights, subscribe and turn on notifications. Remember, AI is not our enemy, but our ally, ushering us into a future of endless possibilities.